Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kawai niki company kali kebadan hakani nganong ba Shillong kata ke company Nissan hakakat kendai terek mentau nailur kala pelong da kejelang ban pesutho yakinong nya kali halor ki kali joka company Nissan khamta me kinong nya taksi hakani jelang kinong mikmat joka ni ke company kila pesutho yakinong nya kali khamtam ki banya taksi halor ke jing mentoi ban pendokam da ke kali joka company Nissan ringkat bonba ke jing terwa ki ban penmentoi yaki ne ki offer hakani jelang ke bala pelong ha Shillong club lai don langru u corporate manager jongkani ke company upan kach kesri u regional manager u Muddat Gupta but u sales manager ba Kershan Khongwer.
Nissan introduction is not new to all of you. Nissan is a more than 100 years old company worldwide, as you know. It is one of the biggest Japanese company across world who makes car much bigger than the companies which are known to you. So in India, so Nissan is much bigger that company, and Nissan technology is also much better and much superior than all other those companies which are available or which you have been using. So I am not using any company name, but Nissan technology is much better compared to those companies. Especially for your market, the product attributes, the product features which you require in terms of ground clearance, in terms of maintenance, we offer 5 years unlimited kilometers maintenance. No competition, no other manufacturer offers this much of maintenance and warranty. We offer 5 years unlimited kilometers.